So how to get a discount with MoneySuperMarket. So in this video, I'm just going to show you step by step on how you can get a discount with MoneySuperMarket for any of their policies. This is a discount method you can use every single time you book a policy with MoneySuperMarket, so make sure you stick around to the end in order to find out how to do it. So to get a discount with MoneySuperMarket, you don't need to enter any discount codes or anything like that, but what you will need to do is head to a website called TopCashback, and you can find the link below in the description. TopCashback, to quickly explain, is a cashback website that gives you cashback rewards on all sorts of online shopping. Plenty of the websites that you shop online will be listed here, but one of the best discounts that you can get from TopCashback is off of your insurance policies, and that goes for MoneySuperMarket, which is what I'll explain step by step in this video. So once you've clicked the link below, you should come across a landing page which looks like this, and you simply just want to go ahead and sign up. It is also worth mentioning, for using my link in the description, you'll also be eligible for a free £10 sign up bonus as well, so make sure you click the link below, and once you've signed up, I can then run you through step by step on how to get your discount with MoneySuperMarket. And then once you've signed up, you should come across a homepage which looks like this. And to go ahead and find MoneySuperMarket, you'll just want to use this search bar here to go ahead and search for it. Then from there, click the search icon, and then from here, you can then go ahead and select the type of policy that you want to purchase from MoneySuperMarket from this list. And that goes for car insurance, home insurance, and even includes life insurance, pet insurance, and even includes energy, broadband, and mobile through MoneySuperMarket as well. So for the example of this video, let's just click on car insurance. And as you can see here, right now, you can get £38 in cashback whenever you book a car insurance policy through MoneySuperMarket. So the way this works is MoneySuperMarket and TopCashback have an affiliation. So whenever you book a car insurance policy using TopCashback, TopCashback will essentially pay you £38 in cashback into your TopCashback account the moment that you check out with MoneySuperMarket. So it's essentially a £38 discount. So to go ahead and activate it, you'll just want to click on the red button that says get £38 cashback. And then once you've done that, it will then pull you through to the MoneySuperMarket website, and from there, you simply just want to go ahead and book the policy. As I said previously, there's no need to enter any discount codes, but the one thing that is very important is you must make sure that you make the policy purchase through exactly the same tab that TopCashback opens up, as that's how they link the sale to your account, which in turn is how you get your cash back from MoneySuperMarket. Then once you've purchased your policy from MoneySuperMarket, there's nothing left to do, and it simply just becomes a waiting game for your sale to track. This usually is a 10 to 20 minute process, so in the meantime, just head back to your TopCashback account, as you'll be notified from there of when it tracks. But when it has tracked, if you head back to the home page, you'll just want to go up to accounts right here, select on earnings, and then it should bring you through to your earnings dashboard, and you should see a transaction that looks like this from MoneySuperMarket to confirm that your transaction has been tracked. Now, if it doesn't display £38 straight away and it says something like pending uplift, don't worry, that is perfectly normal. The pending uplift will change to £38 the moment MoneySuperMarket confirms your transaction with TopCashback. But once it's sorted, it should look like this. It should update to £38 cashback from there, and it's as simple as that. And there you have it. Now, it can take a few weeks for it to be paid out, but as long as you keep an eye on your TopCashback account, you will be notified on when you are able to receive a payment on it. And I've got another video as well, which just runs you through the process on how to take a payout from TopCashback, so I'll leave that link below just in case you need it. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.